Nature sounds like flowing water and chirping birds have been shown by scientific studies to significantly lower stress and enhance relaxation by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Historically, Tibetan monks used these ambient sounds during meditation to deepen their mental serenity. Recent research from the University of Sussex illustrates that listening to natural soundscapes fosters a calming brainwave pattern called alpha waves. A practical tip is to integrate a soundtrack of nature sounds into daily routines, such as during commuting or before sleep, to promote tranquility and mental well-being. This simple approach can also improve focus and aid in stress management, providing a natural escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life.